Okay, so today we're opening up the FixMeStick virus removal device. This one is specifically for PCs, but they also make them for Apple products. This one can work on up to 3 PCs for 1 year. So the first thing that I notice and love is that this was created by a man named Corey for his mom, because I'm going to be honest, I feel a little bit more and more like my own mother the more tech comes into my life. So something that is simple and made for people like me is perfect. That this uses multiple different types of softwares for scanning, and that will supposedly make sure they don't miss anything. I also really just love the aesthetics of the packaging. All right, so here it is, your FixMeStick. It's just a little stick that you put into your USB port on your computer. So everything seems pretty easy so far. Let's try it out. So I just plugged it in, and already the setup is super simple. In the File Explorer on my computer, there is a little icon for the FixMeStick. Click on that, and now it's asking me if I want to allow the app to make changes to your device. The answer is yes. Please fix this. Can I say how much I love how simple this is? I feel like there is an IT guy just sitting here with me, walking me through the process. So let's do it. Let's reboot. And now we're here. Computer status is safe so far. So it's going to complete these 6 steps, and then it'll tell me what my results are. Give me the option to delete the corrupted files if there are any, and then the computer reboots and you're all done. So this is just extremely easy, which is what I love. I highly recommend you look into one of these. They have them for PC and Mac, and they're just perfect to have on hand because you never know when some sketchy website is going to just ravage your computer, and you don't want to be stuck without help. Check this out, FixMeStick.